Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ms. Mavish Ramzan and I welcome you all to Happy Home online class. I hope you and your families are doing well and I pray you all to be safe. Ameen. You all are well aware of the numerous events being held at Happy Home School. Even this year, despite of all the unpredicted conditions, we are still enthusiastic to pay tribute to the literary figures virtually with the same spirit, inshallah. Let's have a look at the display of the last year. Going to pay tribute this year is Mr. Jamiluddin Ali. Nawabzada Mirza Jamiluddin Ahmad Khan, better known as Jamiluddin Ali. He was born in Delhi in 1925 and he was noted as an Urdu poet, critic, playwright, essayist, columnist and scholar of Pakistan. He is best known for his famous national song Jeewe Jeewe Pakistan. He was the brain of the establishment of Pakistan's Writers' Guild. He was born to a literary family in Delhi, India. Jamiluddin Ali connects to Mirza Ghalib and Khwaja Mir Dard. Ali earned a BA in economics from Anglo-Arabic College, Delhi. On September 1944, Jamil married to Tayyiba Bano. At the peak time of Pakistan movement, he arrived in Karachi. Jamiluddin Ali took over as honorary secretary of the Anjuman-e-Tarakki-e-Urdu Association for the promotion of Urdu language in 1962 after the death of Baba-e-Urdu Maulvi Abdul Haq, to ensure that the association survives and grows, and played a key role there for many years along with Farman Fatehpuri. Ali could also be given credit for playing a major role at the Urdu Lughat Board. These are the list of his novels and write-ups which he have done. His poetry is positive and fresh with an inherent element of modernism, yet the language is simple and permeated with appealing musicality. The signature style has made Jamiluddin Ali's poetry tremendously popular. Jamiluddin Ali's writings go beyond poetry and he expresses his views and concerns about socialite issues through these. In addition to ghazals, he has composed dohas and songs too. For his untiring efforts and devotion to the language, the government bestowed upon Ali Ji 3 national awards: the President's Pride of Performance Gold Medal, Hilal-e-Imtiaz, which is also called as Crescent of Excellence, and Kamal-e-Fan Award, and he have numerous awards to the list. Over the course of Pakistan's existence, whenever the country was faced with a difficult situation related to its integrity and security, Jamaluddin Ali responded promptly through his heartwarming poetry, which imbued the nation's heart with hope and a spirit to prevail and rebuild. His poetry inspires a deep sense of patriotism. A thought leader sets his vision on the future and through his writings identifies possibilities for forward and upward change. Thus, he becomes an agent for positive change. We will pay tribute to Jamiluddin Ali by portraying his artwork on Jo Naam Wahi Pehchan, Pakistan, Pakistan. It was sung by Nayyara Noor and it was released in 1988 by PTV Islamabad Center. Let's listen to the song. Okay, I hope you understand. Pakistan is our identity. We have to portray it to the world that how is it. Let's move to the next slides in which I'm going to show you some references. Your ideas can be simplistic. You have to choose a share and then maybe you choose 2 lines from the poetry, or maybe you choose 4 lines from the poetry, and then you are going to execute on the same text. What does it mean? Your ideas should be original. You can grab ideas from different references, but you cannot copy any kind of a reference. You have to create or through your imaginations. Mix up different things, mix up different references maybe, and create your own one. Or maybe you just think about your own original idea, but you can take help from different pictures in which you can find that how to make what. Okay, dear children, this is your assignment that you have to, each one of you is going to create an artwork on Jamiluddin Ali's extracts from Jo Naam Wohi Pehchan, Pakistan, Pakistan. Sketch the idea in your sketchbook. You just need to sketch out and show me what you want to show or what you want to draw regarding the specific lines. You need to sketch only. Now I'm going to explain you the rules of competition. Of you will be working on the idea on the extracts from Mr. Jamiluddin Ali's this song. I told you, you can extract 2 lines or 4 lines, and you have to work on those lines, and you have to have your own personal ideas in your artwork. It can be calligraphic, or it can be a calligraphy of quotes or extracts of those that literary figure, and it should be it should include some kind of an artwork. It should be simple calligraphy, or it can be creative or experimental. Special focus would be on the quality and originality of the work. I'm just again and again repeating about your work to be an original work. Your paper size will be quarter sheet, or it should be just quarter sheet for your category. It means an A2 size, which is a half size of a chart paper. The medium will be any medium in which you feel ease and you think that you can create your best with this medium. All artworks need to be mounted or edged with a 2-inch wide black card sheet with participants' name and class written on them. Children, these are the instructions for your final work. But before that, you have to give me your work in your sketch. Thank you, children. Thanks for being with me, and I hope you enjoyed it, because this time you have less work to do. Any question, you can find me at Google Classroom. Take care. Allah Hafiz.